Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate vector artwork with SVGOMG for web step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the SVGOMG website. Once the page loads, you will see a clean interface with an input area for your SVG code. Prepare your vector artwork in SVG format on your device. Copy the SVG code from your local file. Paste the SVG code into the input area on SVGOMG. Observe as the interface automatically processes your file. On the right side, you will see a preview of your vector graphic. Take a moment to review the artwork for any anomalies or issues. Explore the various optimization options provided by SVGOMG. Adjust the settings based on your needs, such as removing unnecessary attributes. Check the Keep IDs option if you require specific identifiers for your artwork. Select any other options relevant to your project to enhance performance. Monitor the changes reflected in the preview as you make adjustments. Once satisfied with the optimization, locate the Download button. Click on the Download button to save your optimized SVG file. Choose a destination on your computer to store the downloaded file. Open the downloaded SVG file in your preferred graphics software for verification. Confirm that the file displays correctly without loss of quality. Your vector artwork is now authenticated and optimized for web use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.